back. Tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say. I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. And it's hard for me to say. I'm jealous of the way you're happy without. You're happy without me.
That was amazing.
Do you know what, Josh, honestly? Wow. That was the most captivated I've been in all the auditions so far.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm very emotional and you really touched me. I believed every word you sang. I kind of want to hug you.
I'll have a hug. I'll accept a hug.
Well done.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Nicholas.
Oh, Josh, that really got me right in the heart. I was completely transfixed. Like I didn't want it to end.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much.
Josh, I'm gonna kick this off with a very emotional yes.
Also, you're getting a yes from me, Josh. Thank you. It was awesome.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, it's 3 yes.